All right, guys, so I know y'all been asking for the Texas Toy to get some updates, so fixing to get started back on this thing pretty soon. I've made some decisions in my mind. I was gonna cowl the engine off, and you know, I struggled with it, and I decided that I'm gonna leave the engine open, and we're gonna try to build it just like it was before, inside the cab. We're gonna do a roll cage though, and we are gonna put a passenger seat, and it'll have the back seat. So that'll be some differences. We're gonna hopefully get started on that roll cage pretty soon. Today, I started on cleaning these globes up. I got them smoothed off, buffed them down a little bit, and got them painted. And there's a dust seal that goes on. This isn't a wet seal on the outside, it's just a dust seal. Your wet seal's in here for the axle, and then you have another wet seal on here for your planetaries on the outside. So this is just basically a dry hollow for the CV joint, and it's just grease that comes off of the CV joint. So mainly this will fill up with grease for the most part. But working on those dust seals, I cannot order those. I cleaned some of the parts up today and got those buffed up. So I bought some gasket material. I'm gonna try to cut those out. Show you all that in a little bit. Let me go over here and show you the seals and the piece I cleaned up. Okay, so this is the back part of the housing that goes on the back side of the globe. There's a thrust bearing in the bottom, and there's a cap with a bushing on the top. These are the seal pieces for the globe. I'm gonna call it the globe or the spheres. So basically, this goes in here like this, and I've got to cut two flat O-rings out because they were stacked in there too deep. And then these seal plates here will attach over the top like that. And your seal is going to stick out maybe a quarter of an inch past that, and it's just like, it just lightly rubs on that globe just to keep the dust out and keep it kind of sealed up. So got these pieces cleaned up, pressure washed them. I've got some buffed up, I painted those, and I'm gonna take those in the house tonight so the wife doesn't kill me. They're clean, and maybe we'll get my kiddos to help me start cutting some gaskets. All right, so I've got the two pieces for the seal. Sorry, I've got my little ones in here, it's a little noisy. But I got the two pieces for the seal. This was the old gasket right here, if you see it. And all I did is I laid it together, I put it in here to get the right thickness, laid it in the tray just like it was before. I took my permanent marker, put it on the edge, and then went all the way around, just like so. So I've got my template. I'm gonna cut to the inside of that line, and that should be pretty accurate. For the outside line, I'm just gonna take my permanent marker, go around the outside here, all the way around, and then I'm gonna cut this ring out. And then once I get one ring, I need to make four because it stacks two rings in each one of these. And so anyway, so I'm gonna mark that on the outside. We'll try to get this one cut out, and we'll have a template to work with. So, appreciate everybody watching. Appreciate the channel. The channel's actually making some good money. It's supporting the truck. We're up to almost 2,000 subscribers. Guys, we got 40 subscribers left. Let's try to get those up. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down the bottom right-hand corner, and we're gonna get you a lot of updates. We're gonna get this truck built, and I'm gonna start getting on it so we can get it done. Thanks for watching.